Today guys, I'm going to make some peanut soup. Some basic ingredients there, but I'm also going to use chicken, some lamb and some gizzard. I have peanut soup with assorted meat. So first of all, we chop up the onion, the bell peppers, the scotch bonnet, garlic, onion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to steam the chicken, boil the gizzard in a separate pan, and then add the lamb as well to steam for a while with the onion on top, and add seasoning on top, you'll see. So I'm going to boil the gizzard now for about 40 minutes to an hour so it's clean, fresh, and then I'm going to season it and fry it. As you can see, we've got a blend, and we're going to add that now to the pot. Okay, we're going to add that blend to the chicken and the lamb and the onion. I'm going to let that cook until it's obviously done. We're going to add the gizzard at the back. I'm going to fry that gizzard first and then add it to the meat and the blended pepper mixture. Today I've decided to add the gizzard without frying it because the meat will definitely be seasoned by this beautiful pepper mixture and the peanut butter, which I will add, plus along with 2 more or 3 more according to your taste, Knorr cubes, salt, chili powder. In fact, no, the scotch bonnet blend is already there, and just simmer for about an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and add more seasoning cubes. It's just according to your taste. For me, I've added 4 because they're quite small, so it will add a lot of good flavour to the soup. The vegetable Knorr cubes are very good, full of a lot of flavour, and add an authentic taste to the peanut soup. Also, we'll add some garam masala to the mix. That's my secret ingredient. Lots of coriander, cumin, everything there, just to add a depth of flavour to the soup mix. So as I said, this is going to cook for over an hour now, so until everything is blended and cooked well. So we've got the chicken, got the diced lamb, we've got the chicken gizzard, everything in there. And then I'm going to heat up the peanut butter now into a liquid with a tiny bit of water, so therefore they will add that mixture into the soup. Watch this space. Now, as I said, I used crunchy peanut butter. It doesn't really matter. You can use smooth peanut butter. It's just to get the flavour, obviously, to make it peanut soup. So what I'm doing now is just stirring the peanut butter with the water just to mix it into a thick paste, and then I'm going to pour it into the soup. So as you can see now, I've added the peanut butter and I've mixed it into a paste. So that's ready now to go into the soup to add to the flavour and make up the peanut soup consistency in with the soup that is boiling now on the stove. So as you can see now, I've just added the peanut butter mixture, and paste into the soup. So I'm going to stir that around and add it to the mixture. That's going to continue to cook for the next hour until everything is cooked and ready to go. Watch this space. Now my peanut soup is ready. I had some pounded jam made for me, so we're going to serve it up now. How you know that the peanut soup is ready is that the oil rises to the top of the soup, so now you know it's ready to serve. So this is peanut soup and a bit of pounded jam, yep, with lamb, gizzard and chicken. Why not? And now we're ready to serve. More rustic the better. Perfection's overrated. So serve a bit of. So there we go. Some peanut soup and pounded jam. Why not? And when you make your own, it's a bigger portion. You know, it's going to taste better. It's going to be how you want it, bigger quantity. It's worth the effort, why not? Try it at home, guys. So there you go. Peanut soup, some portions of pounded jam. You can use some for later. And put this soup, the rest of it, in a container for another time. So guys, some beautiful peanut soup and some portions of pounded jam. Some for later. And you can put the rest of the pot in a container. You can even freeze it and put it into sections and portions to enjoy for other days. Have a go of it, guys. Peanut soup and Radijam. With chicken, lamb and chicken gizzard. Enjoy. Bon appetit.